Muscle tension dragging you down? Imagine blasting away knots in seconds with pinpoint percussion therapy. No expensive spa required. Today, we're revealing the 5 best massage guns that blend power, portability, and precision, so you can recover faster, relax deeper, and unlock your body's full potential. Let's get started. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Therabody Theragun Relief, the best budget massage gun. Therabody's Theragun Relief might be just what you're after. As the best budget massage gun, it doesn't sacrifice quality for affordability. I tested this device extensively, and it impressed me every step of the way. Its compact design ensures you can use it comfortably for long sessions. You'll appreciate the one-button control that lets you switch between 3 soothing speed levels effortlessly. A handy light indicator shows your current setting, eliminating any confusion during use. I found the 10mm stroke distance perfect for gentle relief. This shorter distance eases everyday aches without overwhelming you. Each attachment serves a specific purpose, targeting various muscle groups for a personalized experience. Durability stood out during my testing. You'll feel reassured knowing this device can handle regular use without fail. Helpful printed cards guide you through effective routines, maximizing the benefits of each session. The free Therabody app enhances your experience by providing detailed demonstrations to support your massage goals. Though the shorter stroke may not satisfy those seeking deep tissue work, it remains ideal for beginners or anyone preferring lighter relief. What I loved most was the balance of usability and function. Navigating this device felt intuitive and refreshing. Therabody Theragun Relief impresses anyone wanting to reduce muscle tension. It offers outstanding performance without breaking the bank. Stay tuned. Next, you'll meet the compact powerhouse that delivers pro-level relief without emptying your wallet. At number 4, we have Bob & Brad Q2 Pro Massage Gun, the best value massage gun. Need relief? Try the Bob & Brad Q2 Pro Massage Gun. It offers outstanding performance in a compact design, weighing just 1 pound. You can easily carry it anywhere. Perfect for getting into those tough spots, this tool is user-friendly and versatile. A standout feature of this massage gun is its hot-cold attachment. You can enjoy soothing heat or refreshing cold therapy at the touch of a button. With 5 customizable speed settings ranging from 1800 to 3000 percussions per minute, this device caters to your comfort level. Few massage guns offer integrated heat, making this Q2 Pro a unique gem. Another highlight is its whisper-quiet operation. You can use it without annoying anyone around you, adding to the overall relaxing experience. It's a considerate choice for intimate spaces like your home or office. While the 35-pound stall force and 7mm amplitude may not compete with higher-end models, this massage gun still delivers enough power to relieve most aches. This balance makes it a fantastic option for everyday users who seek comfort rather than extreme intensity. I love how user-friendly it is, encouraging consistent use. The numerous attachment heads provide flexibility for targeting different muscle groups, ensuring you get a personalized experience. For those who want a hassle-free experience without overwhelming power, the Q2 Pro proves highly effective. Don't blink. Up next is the fully loaded massage gun that brings salon-style warmth and percussion right to your fingertips. Still searching for the perfect massage gun? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Turonic G5 Massage Gun, the best customizable massage gun. Ready for a soothing massage anytime? Meet the Turonic G5 Massage Gun, a top contender in customizable relief. With 7 unique massage tips, you can easily tailor your experience. Narrow tips are perfect for tackling stubborn knots, while wider options help ease tight tendons with gentle pressure. One standout feature is its remarkable 8-hour battery life. You'll go weeks without needing a charge, making it a reliable choice for busy schedules. It quietly operates at a maximum speed of 3200 RPM, letting you enjoy a calming massage without excessive noise. What I appreciate most is its incredible adjustability. Whether you prefer a deep tissue experience or a light, relaxing session, this device delivers just what you need. You'll find that it exceeds the capabilities of many rivals in this price range. While the design could use a little finesse, it's not a deal breaker. Its heft can feel a bit cumbersome, especially when reaching those tricky spots like your back. However, once you get the hang of positioning it, the weight offers stability during use, allowing for more control. The Turonic G5 massage gun shines in its customizability and quiet operation, alongside the battery life that keeps you going. Hold tight. Coming up is the customizable marvel that adapts every stroke to your exact needs. At number 2, we have Lifepro Sonic Handheld Percussion Massage Gun, the best massage gun for beginners. Want a massage gun that's user-friendly? Lifepro Sonic Handheld Percussion Massage Gun stands out, especially for beginners. What makes this device beginner-friendly? First, it features 5 adjustable speeds, delivering between 1,200 to 2,800 percussions per minute. This range allows newcomers to gradually explore what feels best for their muscles without feeling overwhelmed. An easy-to-read LED panel displays speed settings and battery life, making adjustments simple. Another highlight is the 8 massage head attachments. With various shapes and sizes, you can target different muscle groups effectively. This versatility means you can experience thorough relaxation after workouts or long days. Battery life shines too, lasting between 3 to 6 hours. Whether you use it after exercising or simply want to unwind, you won't need to recharge frequently. A minor drawback is its size. Some might find it less convenient for travel. Additionally, you may wish to crank it up to the highest setting for a more robust massage, which varies from other models that offer great intensity, even at lower speeds. One should also consider that its plastic design could feel less sturdy compared to premium alternatives. What I appreciate most is its affordability combined with performance. Keep watching. Next, you'll discover the perfect starter gun that makes recovery effortless for every athlete. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Theragun Prime, the best massage gun, best overall. Relieve sore muscles effectively with Theragun Prime. After extensive testing, it has earned the title of Best Massage Gun, Best Overall, and for good reason. This fine device simplifies percussive massage therapy like no other on the market today. Its 5 built-in speeds cater to various muscle groups, helping you focus on sensitive areas such as your quadriceps and hamstrings. This flexibility is perfect for both elite athletes and casual users alike. You'll find that adjusting the intensity allows for a customized experience, ensuring sore spots get the attention they need. Convenience shines with 4 foam attachments targeting specific trigger points. You can easily reach your hands, feet, and lower back, enhancing your massage routine. This thoughtful design means no muscle group goes unattended. Easy to carry, Theragun Prime weighs surprisingly little. Packing it in your gym bag or stashing it in your car is a breeze. You'll appreciate having it always on hand for post-workout recovery. One area worth mentioning is the noise level. While quieter than many models, a touch more discretion would have been welcome. This small detail doesn't diminish its performance, making it a fantastic addition to your recovery toolkit. What you'll love most is its powerful yet user-friendly aspect. It truly stands out among similar models, offering a blend of effectiveness and convenience. That's a wrap! We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best massage guns. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which massage gun you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.